Hi guys. So last class we kind of ended our study of microeconomics, kind of looking at market failures. And so today we're getting started on the study of macroeconomics. Um, I personally like macroeconomics better than microeconomics. And the reason that is because I feel like with microeconomics, it's really easy to get in like the nitty gritty of supply, demand, how does it actually apply to my life? But with macroeconomics, like all the things that we're going to be talking about are things that impact people's lives every day. Unemployment, GDP, inflation, government policies and actions, all that kind of stuff that really impact us and that I think are the most important things that you need to know to be an informed voter, which you all will be. Um, so today is just it should not take you very long, just a really simple introduction to macroeconomics before we jump into each of the macroeconomic indicators that we're going to be looking at. So this video is what you're going to watch first. It's just another crash course video that just explains to you what macroeconomics is and how it's different from microeconomics. You'll fill out this video guide as you watch the video. And this is going to give you a little introduction to each of the macroeconomic indicators, being unemployment, inflation, and GDP. And so once you're done with that, you're going to complete this assignment. So this assignment is just to find an article that's related to whichever macro indicator you want to look at. So it can be inflation, unemployment, or GDP. This article can be about the world today, but this article can also be like a time period in history about one of these articles. Like if you want to look at like the Great Depression, the Great Recession, like any of these things that impacted inflation, unemployment, or GDP. You'll post a link to the article, you'll give a summary of the article, and then I just want you to write one question you have about the article, about the specific macroeconomic indicator that you looked at with your article, or just about macroeconomics in general, okay? And that's all for today. So today is just, like I said, really simple intro, and then going forward, we'll start learning more in depth about each one of the indicators. Okay, bye guys.